I'll be showing you the top Shopify apps for importing Amazon reviews. The first app we're going to take a look at is called Easy Amazon Reviews Importer. It allows you to build trust by collecting and using real ratings that matter most to your customers. So as we can see here, it's super easy to import these, and this is how they're going to be displayed on your Shopify store. In terms of deciding what's included, you get the ability to publish or remove certain reviews from your store. You also get overall settings here as well, so you can hide the widget if products or no reviews. You can set the title, as well as change the star icon and display or hide the average rating. It also lets you import reviews from AliExpress and Walmart as well, and it's going to work with any theme. It's mobile friendly, as well as having inline SEO. In terms of pricing, it's free to start. You get 20 reviews per product, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of reviews you're looking for per product, and if you want the automatic translation and the Amazon and AliExpress review automation. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars, with 200 plus 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly value this app for its ability to import and manage Amazon and AliExpress reviews, enhancing site credibility and aesthetics with features such as customizable layouts and photo-inclusive reviews. Next up, we have LAI Product Amazon Reviews, and it's going to let you import reviews not only from Amazon, but from other sources such as CJ Dropshipping, Walmart, Deezers, and AliExpress. You can also highlight video and product reviews across your store on not only the product page, but the home page and the showcase page as well. And you can turn customers into your brand advocates. It has an easy to use interface along with various layout options. In terms of pricing, you can import reviews from AliExpress, Judge Me, and Luke's for free, and paid plans start at $6.99. where you can import reviews from Amazon, AliExpress, and a CSV, along with translating reviews. And to get video reviews, you need to be on the $14.99 plan, and the premium plan is $24.99. In terms of reviews for this app, it has an excellent 4.9 stars with 2.1 thousand 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says so far, the app has been super practical and has allowed them to import reviews from their Amazon page quite easily. And it works pretty well and lets you manage reviews however you want. The next app we'll take a look at is called Wise Reviews Importer. So you can import photo and video reviews from your favorite e-commerce platforms. So along with Amazon, you can do Shopee, AliExpress, Etsy, Shein, CJ, eBay, and more. The review widget is responsive and has a customizable design. You can also reward your customers and give them a discount on their future purchases. It's going to have automatic review requests built in, so it's going to send a customer request automatically after a purchase or fulfillment. And in terms of importing those reviews, it lets you do so in one click. In terms of pricing, it's free to start with up to 100 reviews and 10 monthly review request emails. Paid plans start at $9.95, and you're going to get up to 50,000 reviews, and at $19.95 you get unlimited reviews and unlimited review requests emails. In terms of reviews for this Shopify app, it has a perfect 5 stars with 232 5-star reviews at the time of recording. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says it significantly improved their Shopify store by making it easy for customers to add reviews. The interface is user-friendly and the support team is quick and helpful. They've been able to build trust with their customers and boost sales. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where a sponsored profit calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to sync seamlessly and make it super easy for you to understand your store's performance. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of different analytics and metrics, letting you make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with different ad platforms such as Meta, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, and with tons of different cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping and ShipHero. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below too, and that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing page. You can also search for it on the Shopify App Store and look for this logo in the top left. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. The last app we'll take a look at here is called Reviews Importer. So you can import video and product reviews from Amazon, Shopee, AliExpress, Shein, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, and more. So it's going to allow you to add social proof and import authentic reviews. And you can display reviews in several designs and extend reviews as well to display on Google. You can also automate review requests for each order and invite your customers automatically in a store email. In terms of pricing, it's free to start with 6 reviews per product for 100 products only. Paid plans start at $6.99 a month. We can import those reviews from AliExpress and Amazon, and you get unlimited reviews and imports, as well as Google Shopping and rich snippets. In terms of reviews for this Shopify app, it's sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 500 plus 5-star reviews. The latest review here says that it's very to use, it has great support and consistent improvement, and they keep on adding widgets on a consistent basis. So this concludes the video here on the top importing Amazon review apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video or it helped at all, I would love it so much if you smashed that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.